Hit. 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 Okay. Hit.
Hey guys, this is the SBF, which is probably the best brushless Flywheel CQB blaster out there. And the SBF just got a new facelift with this BP version. BP means Bullpup. I think plenty of us have been asking for a Bullpup SBF, and Gavin has given. Thank you very much to IFB for lending me these two SBFs for review, and to Daren for helping with the testing. This video focuses on the comparison between the regular SBF and the SBF-BP. For a more in-depth review of the SBF, please refer to my previous video linked on the top right corner. After playing with both blasters, the obvious differences are the ergonomics, the reloading process, the placement of the OLED screen, the iron sights, and the Picatinny rails to M-lock slots at the sides. I was also informed by IFB that the internals and basic functions are the same for both blasters. If you already have an SBF and want to convert to the Bullpup, you can just purchase the add-on kit and printed parts from IFB, or just get the add-on kit and print the parts yourself. Before we move on to these differences, let's talk about the operations and feel of the SBF-BP. Both the SBF and the SBF-BP feel similar in terms of basic operations, such as the ambidextrous selector switch, on-off button, and the interface to adjust the various settings. With the Bullpup, you will feel just a little bit more of the pusher working, as it is now closer to your shoulder, instead of it being further away from your shoulder with the SBF's buttstock. Also, the dart does have to travel further to exit the SBF-BP compared to the regular SBF. But during gameplay, I did not notice any significant difference between both blasters in terms of accuracy. Now, for the key differences, starting with ergonomics. The SBF is about 62 cm with the buttstock out but not extended, and it can extend by 2 notches, which is about 5 cm longer. The SBF-BP is about 47 cm in its most compact configuration. The BP's buttstock can be extended by 2 notches, which will be about 4 cm longer. Both blasters weigh about 1.4 kg. The SBF-BP is definitely more balanced than the slightly front-heavy SBF, with the weight well distributed across the entire blaster. I feel that if you play mostly in open fields, the difference in ergonomics for both versions will not matter that much. But if you play predominantly in close quarters, this is where the SBF-BP really shines. The regular SBF already performs extremely well in CQB, but the BP takes it even further by being more compact and better balanced than before. Peeking around corners, walls and doorways will feel easier and more natural, especially in tight spaces. Of course, being a Bullpup, the reloading process is different from the regular SBF. That means no more mag release button, mag dropping or wick flicks. Nevertheless, the BP's mag release lever is smooth and easy to use. If you are used to reloading Bullpup blasters like the Lynx, this will be good. The BP's OLED screen is angled and at eye level, which makes it easier to see than the regular SBF screen. The iron sights are slightly different, with the BP having a much wider rear sight aperture built into the blaster. Also, the SBF-BP has M-lock slots at the sides in front, while the regular SBF has Picatinny rails. In summary, the SBF-BP is a good improvement over the already great SBF, with the main advantage being its compact and well-balanced ergonomics. It is definitely the setup you should use if you play a lot of CQB, if you are thinking whether to get the regular or the Bullpup version. However, if you play at mainly open spaces, the regular SBF will do just fine. Some players may also prefer the AR style reload over the Bullpup style reload, and also the foldable and interchangeable buttstock over the fixed Bullpup stock. Others may prefer the CZ Scorpion look over the Bullpup look and vice versa. It all comes down to individual playstyle and personal preference, I suppose. If you found this review video helpful, do check out my other videos at the links here. Thank you and see you.